Hello students, so let's continue with the next part of the topic or the chapter, that is forms of business organization, and in this we will cover the topic formation of a company. So basically in this we will study about what are the different steps which the company has to follow in order to go for an incorporation stage, in order to get established. Okay, so let's see. The first stage is of your promotion stage. After promotion comes your incorporation stage. After incorporation comes your capital subscription stage. And the last stage is of commencement of business stage. Okay, so students, as we are talking about joint stock company, so here we are talking about both the companies. Both the companies means here we are talking about the private companies as well as we are talking about the public company. Okay, so the whether it is private company or public company, in both the cases the company has to undergo with these 4 steps. But just let me make you clear, when it is private limited company, I again repeat, when it is private limited company, so this private limited company actually undergoes with 2 stages only, that is promotion and incorporation stages. Okay, after getting the certificate from this incorporation certificate from this stage, the private company can start its working, right? But when it comes to public limited company, the public limited company has to undergo or has to fulfill all these 4 stages. क्लियर? यानी कि अगर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी है तो सिर्फ ये 2 स्टेजेस को कंप्लीट करके अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकती है, और अगर पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी है तो उसको ये सारे स्टेजेस यानी कि 1, 2, 3, 4 जितने भी 4 स्टेजेस है उन सबको कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो दीज वर द स्टेजेस. लेट्स डिस्कस दीज स्टेजेस इन डिटेल. So as I'm talking about promotion stage, what is promotion stage? So the promotion stage is a stage in which the idea is converted, means the idea of starting a business is converted into practical form. यानी हमारे दिमाग में आइडिया आता है और उस आइडिया को हम प्रैक्टिकल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. So that is actually your promotion stage. ठीक है? And this stage is generally being functioned or worked by the promoter. जो स्टेज को कंप्लीट करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं promoter, right? Okay, so let us see now what are the different functions which a promoter has to work. ठीक है? तो these are the different functions which a promoter has to take care. That is first one, identification of business opportunities. Second one, it is feasibility study, mean detailed investigation. ठीक है? Detailed investigation of what? Technical feasibility, financial feasibility, economic feasibility. ठीक है? After that, the individual has to think about the name of a company, what the company name will be there. Next one, it is fixing up signatories to MOA, means now we are also trying to fix the signatories, means the directors, who will be the initial director. Next one stage will be appointment of professionals, means here we are focusing for the appointment of brokers, underwriters, etc., who will work for our company. Last one is preparation of necessary documents, means these are the necessary papers or the document which has to be fulfilled, right? So this one was your first stage, that is your promotion stage. So let's move on with the next stage, that is incorporation stage. So what is incorporation stage? Incorporation stage basically refers to the registration process. Incorporation means to get your company registered. ठीक है? Registered according to the Companies Act 1956. So these are the main steps to be fulfilled. First one, filling up of necessary documents, like here the document like AOA, MOA, prospectus, these document is to be fulfilled, right? Second one, payment of fees. You have to pay the fees of the registrar. Whatever the registrar fees is there, you have to pay it all. Okay. After payment of the fees, your registration will be done. And after that, after getting the registration, after registration is over, you will get a certificate of incorporation. Okay. So with this certificate of incorporation, your private limited company will start working. ठीक है? जब ये आपका सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा तो आपकी जो प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी है वो वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर देगी. ओके, सो दिस वाज योर इनकॉर्पोरेशन स्टेज. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन विद द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस. द थर्ड स्टेज is of your capital subscription stage. ठीक है, तो प्राइवेट कंपनी ने सेकंड स्टेप तक कंप्लीट कर लिया. अब ये कैपिटल सब्सक्रिप्शन स्टेज के लिए आपकी जो पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी है वो आगे कंटिन्यू करेगी. ठीक है, द स्टेज इज फॉर द पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी. सो इन दिस स्टेज, कैपिटल सब्सक्रिप्शन स्टेज, द पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी इज अप्रोचिंग टुवर्ड्स द सेबी. ठीक है, सेबी की तरफ ये अप्रोच करती है. व्हाई फॉर द सेबी? सो दैट दे कैन टेक द परमिशन फ्रॉम सेबी टू इश्यू शेयर्स इन द मार्केट. जिससे कि सेबी से परमिशन ले सकती है, जिससे कि वो मार्केट में यानी कि स्टॉक मार्केट में अपने शेयर्स को लॉन्च कर सके. राइट, सो दीज आर द सर्टेन स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट वन, सेबी अप्रूवल. फर्स्ट दे आर गोइंग फॉर द अप्रूवल ऑफ द सेबी. फॉर अप्रूवल दे हैव टू मेंटेन और दे हैव टू सबमिट द प्रोस्पेक्टस. ठीक है, they have to submit the prospectus. Prospectus is a statement in which you are mentioning, you are giving an invitation to the general public. ठीक है, next one, you are appointing the bankers, brokers and underwriters. You are appointing them also so that they can work for you. And the last one, I mean not last but the important clause, that is minimum subscription. This minimum subscription basically means that it is an important clause. अगर इस स्टेज को क्लियर करना है तो इस important clause को आपको हर हाल में फुलफिल करना पड़ेगा. And according to this important clause, at least 90% of the amount of your paid up share capital should be issued. यानी कि आपका जितना भी पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल है उसका 90% जो सब्सक्रिप्शन अमाउंट है आपको 120 डेज के अंदर मिल जाना चाहिए. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैंने लाइक 10,000 मेरी मिनिमम पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल है, मेरी कैपिटल जो है वो 10,000 है, तो इस 10,000 का जो 90% है, दैट मीन्स 10,000 का 90% कितना हुआ? दैट इज योर 900. तो एटलीस्ट मुझे 120 डेज के अंदर ये 900 शेयर्स के पैसे पहले ही मिल जाने चाहिए. तो ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्लॉज होता है इसमें. अगर आपने ये फुलफिल कर लिया तो ऑब्वियसली आपको स्टॉक मार्केट में सेबी से परमिशन मिल जाएगा. एंड इफ यू फेल इन दिस, अगर आप इसमें फेल हो जाते हो तो इसी 120 डेज में 10 डेज और ऐड कर लीजिए और इस 130 डे में आपको पैसे वापस करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, so after when it is successfully done, the minimum subscription, after that you can apply to the stock exchange. ठीक है, you can go for the final application to the stock exchange, and after getting the permission from stock exchange, means they will all verify everything. सब कुछ verify करने के बाद if it is okay, then they will allot, means whatever the shares you are having, that shares will be allotted to the stock exchange by the SEBI. Is it clear? So this is the complete process relating to the third step, that is capital subscription stage. Okay, moving towards the next stage, that is commencement of business. ठीक है, this is the last stage and generally इस commencement of business में हम सारी चीजों को wind up कर लेते हैं. सारी चीजों को हम क्या कर लेते हैं? एक जगह इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं. सारे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एक तरफ आ जाते हैं. लाइक आफ्टर सब्सक्राइबिंग द सिक्योरिटीज and receiving the minimum subscription, जब सारी चीजें हो जाती है, now the company applies to the registrar. अब जो public limited company है, they finally apply to the registrar. ठीक है, और registrar after getting everything, after verifying everything, he issues the certificate of commencement of business. So the public limited company start working after getting the certificate of commencement of बिजनेस. ये पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी का है, जबकि प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी कब वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर देती है? द प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी स्टार्ट वर्किंग आफ्टर गेटिंग द सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ इनकॉर्पोरेशन. जब सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ इनकॉर्पोरेशन मिल जाता है, देन योर पब्लिक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी स्टार्ट working. Is it clear? So that is actually the complete process of the formation of a company. Is it clear? So with this, this part 6, in which we have discussed about the complete process for the formation of a company is completed. ठीक है, complete process of formation is completed. Right? Thank you students for watching this video. Thank you.